So I have to give credit to my fantastic son, amazing son, who helped me get this tree. Of course, I dug the hole, but and I actually took it off the trailer myself, but he and I both, well, mostly he, rolled it in, and then it didn't stand up straight, so we had to do a little bit of finagling, which was not fun in the heat in November, and he wound up getting it in, to like standing it straight up. I don't know how long these can last on a trailer with the roots exposed, and I feel like it was 24 hours, and that was too long. Well, a little less than, well, it's about 24 hours. So now it's in the ground, and I think this will be a fabulous way to invite and welcome people when they come up the driveway. So this one was the larger of the 3 that we got yesterday. This one's like 3.5 feet. The other 2 were 3 feet. And then the one that we got the day before on Sunday was more than 4 feet. It was 4 feet, but this one's gorgeous. Look how beautiful it is. Anyway, happy planting.